Hi guys, welcome to this video about how to replace a color or colors in a picture. So we need a software, of course, to do that, and I highly recommend to use the GIMP. That's gimp.org. You can download it for free. That's no adware, no spyware, no nothing. It's open source and free for everybody and really powerful. So I highly recommend to use that. I mean, of course, everybody knows we have this paint included in the Windows 10, and we can fill some colors. I mean, we can pick a color here, we can then pick this tool here, the fill with color tool, and we can fill something with a different color, even larger areas. But if the areas are not together, so that's a huge problem. So we want to replace just similar or same color with the same other color, and not areas which are connected. So that's a totally different thing. What I've already done here is I have copied the image where I want to replace the colors and the destination color. Here we have Bluetooth in actually a really strange blue, and I want to have it in this kind of blue. So I have already, just as a sample here, I've copied it with the light shot. That's also a free clipboard tool with the light shot. I've copied both here. So we copy the whole thing again. That's really important. So we have both the original picture and the destination color. We copy it as a clipboard to the clipboard, and we go to the GIMP. Takes a little bit of time, not too much. It has been improved and it's way faster than before. We go to File, Create from clipboard, and we have the whole thing here now. So how we do that, we go to colors, go to map, and here we have a color exchange. We have to pick a from color and a to color. So there's a nice picker here where we can pick the from color, let's say the one here. The problem is, I mean, you can see already it's showing which colors or which areas it will replace, and it will replace by default with black. So you see all the black areas it will replace. So that's not enough, we need more, and therefore we have this threshold here. We can increase a little bit the margin of error. Obviously it looks like there were not absolutely the same colors here used, even when they look similar, this kind of green blue, but it was not the same. When we increase the threshold too much, it will also affect areas which we don't want, like let's say this smartphone here. So what we can do, of course, we can do it in different steps. So we reduce this here again a little bit, so we still have a lot of it changed in the first time. I mean, we have now the origin, we need to pick the to color as well, so we pick it from here. You can see there are already some of the things done, but not everything. So you click on OK and repeat the same thing. Go to map, color exchange, and pick now the parts which have not been changed, like this one. And we also work a little bit with the threshold here, and we pick the destination again, and it looks better and better. So we can repeat this function as much as we need till we have reached the final result, and at the end we just copy again the part with, let's say, the light shot out of that, or we save it, or we repeat we delete this part or whatsoever. But anyway, I mean, I think now we have a pretty good result, which is useful. It's not perfect, but it's pretty nice for me as a non-professional. For me, it definitely worked, and I hope it will work for you too. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.